Hey everyone, today I am going to do a little bit of a packing vlog, getting ready for my upcoming Disney World trip. So right now I'm getting all my snacks together, so I'm going to show you that. So I'm only using a carry-on bag, which is like a little wheelie carry-on suitcase, and my backpack for this trip because it's only going to be 2 full days and then 2 days are travel days. So it's just a short little trip. So I got this off of Amazon. This is a little snack bag. I also got my mom one in black, and I got my friend who is actually last minute joining us. I got her one as well. So these are just amazing. I love this. Andrew used it when he went away. I used it when we went away together. And it's good for like road trips. It just holds everything instead of using multiple Ziploc bags. It just keeps it nice and handy. And then I love this. I've shown this in multiple videos. This is just a koozie, but it has a little handle on it. So you're able to just carry your drink here. I'll show it. I'm drinking Coca-Cola out of a Dixie coffee cup right now. But it just holds it nice and easy. So if you're walking around, you're not spilling it everywhere. I also use this when I'm teaching, and a couple of my other teacher friends got it as well because I teach theater. So when I'm teaching, sometimes I have my iced coffee or my hot coffee, and I am actively teaching and don't want to spill coffee everywhere, don't want the kids to knock it over. So yeah, it's great. It's also nice because the napkins, sometimes if you have like your napkin around a drink, like even just an iced coffee, it's all disintegrating. It's just annoying. So this keeps it nice and easy. And these are also from Amazon. They come in a 3-pack, a small one that doesn't have a handle. The medium one has a handle, and then a larger one. But the medium one is the one I usually pack because it's just standard for everything that you would need it for. It also works for a water bottle. If you need some snackspiration of what to bring, I got these at Aldi, these mini alphabet cookies. They also have oatmeal ones or chocolate chip mini ones that are really good to bring with you because these are just all nice and tiny, and they can fit in like your purse or your fanny pack or backpack, whatever you bring into the park, diaper bag if you have kids. These were new for Valentine's Day. They have little X's and O's. They come in the pink and the blue. So love that aesthetic. So I packed some of those. I am currently obsessed with these Drizzlicious s'more bites. They also come in different flavors, but I got the s'mores because they came in the individually wrapped bags. Does anyone remember Soy Crisp Minis? I believe they were called. They were just like this, but they had mini marshmallows in them. They were my favorite. We used to get them at BJ's probably like, I don't know, like 15 years ago when I was much younger and in school. So these are great. I didn't pack too many of these since like it's not going to be hot when we're there, but just in case. But they're pretty clean ingredients, but it's not really the purpose of this snack haul. Some freeze-dried strawberries also from Aldi's, and then Aldi also had these chomps. I keep seeing these all over the place. So we tried the red version of this, which is just the beef ones, and I wasn't crazy about this, but Andrew liked them. But I saw these sea salt beef ones, so I thought I'd try these. I also got some of like the store brand, like the chicken or turkey sausage sticks, just for some added protein. So I'm gonna try those. Also some Bluey fruit snacks. These are just, whoops. These are just great to have if you need a little bit of sugar when you're in the parks. Some fruit snacks. And then some electrolyte packets. This is just the Aldi brand, just to add to water. And then I also have some lemonade ones, just in case we want to add that to our water. Reminder to charge your magic band before you pack it in your electronics. I also have this bag and this one. And these are the bags that I'm going to throw in my backpack. And then my suitcase will be just my clothes, probably. I just refilled all of my travel shampoo. So I have shampoo, baby soap, body wash, and conditioner. So I just refilled them. But Disney has their own H2O that's rebranded to Disney. That's also really good, and I end up using that too. But I like to have my own stuff. And then I have some face wash in this little thing. I just kind of put in this little container so I can just throw it away. Then I have hair ties, disposable washcloths, and some disposable shower caps. Disney sometimes gives you some shower caps and a hair tie too, but sometimes they don't, so we'll see I have fuel rods. If you don't know what a fuel rod is, it is a like portable phone charger. They come with all different little things. I just have the iPhone charger that I have in this one. So I have 3 of them, and in the Disney parks and hotels, there's a little kiosk, and at that kiosk you can put the empty fuel rod and a fully charged one will come out. So I always bring that for my phone, and then I have another little tiny one that isn't affiliated with fuel rod that I like a little bit better, but it's convenient having the fuel rod. I have a little brush, a clip for when I take a shower just to put my hair up if I'm not washing it every day, some deodorant, a body spray, some hairspray, some Lysol, blister blocker. This stuff is amazing to use in the parks before you go. Some hand sanitizer. I also have one in my purse. I go through so much hand sanitizer at Disney. Some stain remover wipes. These are the Dollar Tree brand, which they actually work pretty good. Some little Q-tips. I just always reuse this little container. I think I already said tissues, some micellar water. I have this little container for all of my medicine. I've shown it before. It just holds everything really nicely, and you can fit a variety of like everything you need, vitamins, everything in there. And yeah, I'm gonna put all of this stuff in my backpack, and then all of my clothes in my carry-on suitcase, because I'm just using carry-on for this trip because it's very short. Also got all my ponchos. So let's pack this bag up. This is the backpack that I use. It is used as my personal item when flying. So if you fly JetBlue, this will fit right under the seat. And I think for any other airlines, this should count as a personal item too, unless you're going on a really strict one. So it has lots of compartments. It's actually a Disney baby bag. So I got it at, I think like Burlington Coat Factory or Marshall's, one of those. And it was like $25. So super affordable. I got it when I was just going to Disney for a long weekend, and I was just putting everything in one backpack because I was just doing personal item only, no carry-on. Now JetBlue allows you to have the carry-on and personal item if you're flying the cheapest fare as of January 2025. So this is nice because it has this like cooler area. It has a baby wipe area, which I put my Clorox wipes or my hand wipes in. There's even, where is it? Like a little wet bag. So if you're having like a beach day, or if you do have kids, this is probably a great bag for you. But if you see right here on the tag, sorry, it is Disney Baby. So I couldn't find this exact bag online anymore besides being resold because I think it's a couple seasons older, but they have some similar Disney Baby bags on Amazon or on their website. So in this section, I'm putting some antibacterial hand wipes and some Clorox wipes. This one has like one left, but I Clorox wipe the plane where I'm sitting and the tray table and everything because I don't want to get sick. And then I also do the same for the hotel, but I'm only bringing like this little teeny tiny package. I know that some people there are probably like, that's more than enough for the length of time you're going. But I'm a little crazy and I like to clean everything, even though Disney keeps everything nice and clean. And I'm sure the plane people try their best to clean it as well. But I like to just take extra precautions with all of the sicknesses going around to keep myself healthy during this audition season and just in general because I don't like being sick. So I got these wipes and then this to wipe down the plane. I have some first aid stuff as well as some masks in case I want to wear one on the plane. I usually do when I'm flying just so I don't get sick. It's just my personal preference. I keep my, I need to organize this better, my headphones and my chargers for the airplane there. And then in the little front, a little hand sanitizer. In this little section, I put all my rain ponchos. And this, which is really good for if we go to the pool at all, it keeps my phone waterproof. Or for like Tiana's, if I want to film on any of the water rides, I can use this. So now I'm going to start to pack my clothes. It looks like it's gonna be pretty chilly this week. So I think I'm gonna go with athletic tank tops, leggings, and sneakers. And then take one of my bigger bags since Andrew's not going on this trip, so I won't have his backpack to throw stuff in. I usually just use my smaller like waist fanny pack. So I'm gonna use this bigger one. This is a Vera Bradley one. They sell these in Disney Springs. I think I got this one on Amazon. It was a little cheaper. They also have like a print that has Mickey, which is really cute. So my water bottle can fit in here. I can fit everything I need in the park, and that just folds up really small to fit in my backpack. And I'm only using a carry-on, so I'm just gonna bring this, some leggings, this dress, which this is the Blogilates Target collection. So it might be too cold to wear it, so I might only pack 1 or 2 athletic dresses, maybe even just 1. So we'll see what fits in my carry-on. So I have 4 of these really fuzzy, like fleece-lined zip ups. So I have the Mickey one. I'm definitely gonna bring that. I'm definitely gonna bring this pink one. I'm gonna bring the light blue one that I got in Uniqlo last time we were in Disney. I'm not sure about this one. This one's from Kohl's. It's really funny. It's limited too, and I got it a little bit oversized. So if you are like a small normally, if you want it oversized, I would get a medium. That's what I usually do with these type of things. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna bring this one. Maybe I'll wear this one down because it's very cold here, and then I'll pack the other ones up. So this athletic tank is from Marshall's. I'm not sure of the brand of it. And it came in a 2-pack of this and a gray one. So I think I'm gonna pack this cream color. This is from Disney Springs. It's from Uniqlo. I have this in this color. I have it in like a cream color and a tan color. I love it. I kind of want to see if they have like more colors next time I'm there. This one's from Target, and all of these have built-in bras, so you don't have to worry about like packing a bra. So it's really nice. And then this one is from Amazon. Okay, so I grabbed another athletic dress just in case. So I have 2 athletic dresses, 4 tank tops. I'm gonna wear one of them down. It's only a 4-day trip, 2 are travel days. And then wear one of these fuzzy things down. I have this bag, and then I have a teenier one. I'm gonna shove those in my backpack. I have some pajamas. I have some leggings, and then I have this pair of sneakers, which these are new. I just got them on Amazon. They were $20. I can link all of these things down below if you guys are interested. Just comment down below what you're interested in, and I'll drop those links for you. So I'm gonna bring these, and I think I'm gonna wear a pair of sandals down with socks, which will look crazy on the airplane, but be easier for security. Also, these are slip-on. Just got this at Marshall's the other day. It was like $20. It's a hair straightening brush, so you have to have dry hair. I think I'm gonna bring this as my hair tool. It goes up to like 400 and something degrees. I put it on like 380, I believe, and on dry hair it just like brushes and straightens it. It works pretty well. I've used it the last couple of days and I like it. So it's very lightweight, so I think I'll be able to just pack that really easy. Okay, I think I decided against bringing this one and instead wearing my Mickey one down, because this will match with multiple things. Because in my suitcase right now, I have like all my socks and stuff, and then these 2 fuzzy ones are taking up like half my suitcase. Hi, Thumper. Hi, baby. So I think I'm just gonna bring 2 because I might want to buy a sweatshirt or something when I'm there. I have some gift cards, so you never know. So I don't want to overpack. I have my toiletries pouch in here, my little electronics pouch shoved in here. I'm gonna try to fit in all my snacks and my makeup bag. I moved my ponchos out of here. I'm gonna put my makeup bag here and just keep one poncho in it so that I can fit my little crossbody in this little section where my makeup bag was gonna go on the plane, because you're only allowed 1 personal item. So I usually just use my fanny pack, and then my bigger fanny pack I will pack in my suitcase just in case I want to switch out to that one. If you're curious to what's in my makeup bag, I have some brushes and sponges, and I also put them in a Ziploc bag just to be extra safe so it doesn't leak. The foundation I use in 10N, it's Dermablend. You only need a little bit, it goes a long way. So this is like a full coverage foundation. You only need a really tiny bit, but it has SPF in it, so it's really good for the parks and for filming, and then, or like taking pictures, it works amazing. This liquid blush by Milani in Pink Flirt. I have been loving this. You only need a little bit of this as well. It's just a super easy makeup look. So that's like my everyday makeup look with this NYX Fat Oil in the color Mist Call. So this is like a super light pink. It looks really bright red, but if you use just a little bit, it also goes a long way. That's my motto with my makeup. For eyebrows, I use this e.l.f. eyebrow like mascara in, I think it's in Blonde. And then I also have this lipstick from Revlon in Pink Promise, number 778. I love Revlon lipstick, so sometimes I do this and then the lip gloss over it. And then for mascara, I'm using this Lash Princess. Andrew's mom got this for me for Christmas, a bunch of these. This is one of my favorite mascaras. I usually do this one, or I use like a very thin mascara. And this is in black. I either wear black or brown, but that works really well. And then I also have this super cheap eyeshadow palette, and this is the second one that I've bought of this. I love the colors in this. You only need like a little bit. I obviously like the neutrals and the light pinks the best. You can also use it as a blush in a pinch or a highlighter, so this is just a really good palette to have. And I put all of that in a Ziploc bag as well. I'm also being crazy and shoving this athletic dress in this bag as well, in case I want to change after getting off the plane and our room isn't ready. So I like to keep a change of clothes in my backpack, just in case I feel like changing. Okay, so I saw on the internet that this rinse aid works to get stains like off your stainless steel. Hi puppies. Got two puppies right next to me. So let's see if this works. Here's like the before. Okay, so here's the after. I think that actually worked pretty well. Hopefully it's not bad for it, but I think this is just like vinegar, honestly. That's colored blue. Yeah, it's like water, alcohol, vinegar, citric acid. So it's basically the same as the stainless steel cleaner, just blue instead of like silver. So yeah, if you're in a pinch, that works pretty well. Try it on the microwave and on our dirty stove now. Okay, that worked pretty well for anyone who wants to try it. Okay, we are all packed, I believe. I hope I have everything. I'll check off my checklist before I go to bed tonight.